This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the users and accounts category and remove any Google accounts you might have. Once there are no Google accounts left, enter Google category, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you're going to sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the screen. Then select the account you have just logged into from the list over here, and, log into another Google account, this time Parental one. Then, once you do that as well, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, and over here scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password once again. Onward, tap at the Agree button, at the following window, tap Allow, and wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked. Once this process finishes, we can go forward and practically skip all the following steps and finish the setup on the child's end at the very least. So skip everything, then take your parental device and download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. Then launch it. Make sure to log into the app with the parental Google account, and here is the list of controls you have access to. So that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this tablet goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.